If you use PandaDoc regularly, keeping your signature updated is key to staying professional and making sure your documents are always accurate. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your signature step by step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. To start, log into your PandaDoc account. If you don't have a shortcut saved, just open your browser and head to PandaDoc's official website. And if you've forgotten your password, simply use the forgot password link to reset it. Once you're logged in, you will land on the PandaDoc dashboard, your main control hub for all documents. On the left-hand side menu, find and click on Settings. This is where you can customize and manage your account. Inside the Settings page, go to the My Account tab at the top. Scroll down until you find the Signature section. This is the signature PandaDoc will use whenever you sign and send documents, so make sure it's accurate and professional. Click on your current signature to open editing options. Here you can draw a new one, type it in a font you like, or even upload an image of your handwritten signature. If you're drawing, take your time to make it neat. If uploading or typing, ensure it's clear and easy to read. When you're happy with your new signature, click Save It Up. Your updated signature is now ready and it will automatically appear in all future documents you sign in PandaDoc. And that's it. You've successfully changed your signature in PandaDoc. Now you can send documents with confidence, knowing your signature is up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a comment below and let me know what you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.